Hello everyone, it's Tom72 here, back with another video. And today we're doing a custom figure review of Dolly. So I'm deciding that some of these Secret of the Mimic figures actually deserve their own videos. So today we have Jackie. She's got some really cool features that I actually added later on before than when I first made her, and she does have some paint scrapes, which is very unfortunate, but we're just gonna get straight into this. Starting off, I mean, as most of you can tell, this is a 3D print. This is, of course, Dolly from Secret of the Mimic, and her thing didn't print out fully correctly, so like her dress didn't print, and her hair was messed up, so I used some of my handy dandy epoxy sculpt. I keep on asking this, but please sponsor me, please. But I used that epoxy sculpt for the hair, and used all my beautiful matte paints to get all the beautiful colors. And you can see there is paint scraping off throughout it, but that is mainly because I was filming the Fnaf Hunger Games Season 2 with her, and she does have some rough scenes. I'll just leave it at that. So yeah, and here we start off just with the neck articulation. This is, of course, a Lego ball joint. Oh crap, this is really loose. I'm gonna have to glue that later. But Lego ball joints, drilled into the head, got the epoxy sculpt, sponsor me, and the Lego ball joint, and drilled into here, put the epoxy sculpt, the glue. Also forgot to mention I put glue and then the ball joint. And now I got some super awesome head movement, which is actually really nice. And then, I think there was an error, or this is what I'm talking about, like, it's not very center, like, you know what I'm talking about, like, it's not lining up very well. This side did a lot better on it, but it's not very nice. And I'm pretty sure I used Toy Foxy or Funtime Foxy ball joints. I think I used literal Toy Foxy ball joints for the ball joint type doesn't matter too much, like from which figure, but this is a Funko figure. It uses Funko figure ball joints, and later on, just like a few months ago, I made this like over half a year ago, and then just like a couple months ago, I added the wrist articulation, which is just the wrist articulation of Funko figures, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. And then I just drilled onto this. And it's actually really hard to do this type of swivel, like, thingy that I can do. But I kind of just, like, drilled and try to, like, recreate the shape of the ball. And then, like, I'll put glue in it and see if, like, there's enough glue to make it stay in place. And as you can see, this one's very wobbly. Not done the best, but this one is actually pretty good. And unfortunately, the paint is scraping off. So maybe one day in the future, I'll redo it and, like, give her a dress. And cool stuff like that. The focus is not working very well. Come on, why can't we look at, there we go, okay, that's better. We got her, whatever you call it. I think I messed it up. Why is it not focusing? I don't think it's working right. Like, I don't think I painted it right. Because first of all, look, it's not even. I'm just not noticing this. It's not even. And also, what's this part that goes down here? Because, like, I didn't paint it, I guess. I added that symbol thingy, because I'm just so smart. Tee-hee-hee. Also forgot to mention, yeah, she's got some really good arm movement. I can do some pretty cool poses with her. I was going to give her ankle articulation, but I never really got around to it, so that's another upgrade I could make with her. And, now that because she doesn't have a dress, I keep on saying I need to stop. And because she doesn't have a dress, she has some really good articulation, which is actually pretty cool. I really like, I just like it. Like, this, amazing. Also forgot to mention, I also use Lego ball joints to make her waist articulation. Some of the paint spilling off around here, so that is also unfortunate. But oh well. And we got her awesome leg movement. And yeah, you can kind of like see where like I cut it, and then like I uncut it, and also the bottom didn't print very well, so I had to like put clay in here and smooth it down, and I didn't fully smooth that out to my best ability, so it still can't stand super well. Dang, this camera is not focusing. This is gonna make me crash out. Not very happy. But yeah, I mean, that's Dolly. I don't know if I revealed these other figures I'm about to show, but just like for comparison, here's what she looks like next to other figures. Like here's her next to Deadeye Roxy. These two have like one scene together, I think. So yeah. And then we also got Jest, who's definitely one of the shorter animatronics. Well, shorter figures, I guess. Well, both, I guess. And here's just like your typical tie-dye Chica, but repainted to be Chica. And this is just the size. They're pretty much the same. I think I scaled it pretty well. Let's put it on some sauce. Oh, one more thing, and let's get the limit right here. He is ginormous, and he does not want to fit in frame very well. But there is the mimic, just for scale. One more thing. Oh my god, I can't believe I forgot this. I also had her shock box. It's right here, and if you're wondering what this little blood joint on the back here is for, it's for, come on, it's for here. Look at that. Isn't that so adorable? It's so tea. Oh my gosh. Don't you love it? It's literally amazing. Literally amazing in every single way that's humanly possible. She's definitely one of my favorite figures. And I do want to make a Molten Dolly and a Big Top. And I'll do like a Secret of the Mimic wave too, with like other Secret of the Mimic figures, because I still got a lot more to do, and more on top of that I haven't even 3D printed yet. So yeah, yeah, hopefully you guys think this is a W custom, because it literally is. Now let me get an awesome thumbnail. Actually, I'll do that later. Sorry about that. I'm a little congested and I sound 25 because I've had to sort out the past week. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me what you thought of this video, and if I should do more of these individual videos on each of the Secret of the Mimic figures. Probably not all of them. But I'm already going to make videos for, because I actually need to film the video for the Mimic, Monty, and Roxy, and then all of them together. So yeah, bye everyone.